Okay, this is called Rua de Felicidade, and we're just gonna walk all the way down it. I'll tell you a little bit about the history too. This involves sing-song girls, prostitution, opium, fantan houses, gambling houses, all kinds of cool stuff. So this is kind of a historic street. There's the name of it right there, called Rua de Felicidade. Right there. And we're going to highlight it. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so Rua de Felicidade. So this is kind of a historic house, historic street, known for the sing-song girls, and it's actually now it's a pedestrian-only street, and they just started that maybe about a month ago. So they're gonna really put a lot of money into this. I think it comes from Wynn Casino. So Wynn Casino pledged to put in a lot of different money into revitalizing this particular street. It has a lot of historical value to it. Let me just kind of show you real quick. There's a little, just walk in here real quick. There's also a little cool stuff along the way too. Okay, so we're gonna head on down. So yeah, Wynn Casino is sponsoring it, so they got some drinks available, and then you'll see, I think you also have Wynn on these as well. So all the different casinos, they pledge to put money into the city of Macau in different ways, and I really like the Wynn's idea to revitalize this whole area. So it looks like we have a lot of people down here now today as well. Actually, it seems like there's long lines today for some reason. I don't know. Huh. It's interesting. Yeah, this street is a really cool street, and oh, this is kind of cool. So this is exhibition Racing Through Heritage. So this little Beco de Felicidade. Looks like they built something about the Grand Prix is happening this weekend, so that's a racetrack. I went around it with a car not too long ago and filmed that. I didn't actually visualize it exactly before until now. Yeah, that's cool. Some historical references to it as well. Wow. Whoa. Stock car racing, Formula 1. Wow. So it looks like this whole street, I guess it might lead into a museum, which I'd be very interested to see, but I want to stay faithful to our street. So our particular street is Rua de Felicidade, so we'll focus on that. I'm just kind of surprised at all the people as well. A lot of people. Actually, check out this detail as well. The detail is amazing. So, let's see. Yeah, actually, this one has been here a very long time, Julius. A lot of them are went out of business, especially during the COVID. This street was kind of empty anyways, and then COVID really impacted it. I guess I should describe the street a little bit. So basically these had sing-song girls. Let me just take a look in here. It's like a private house. But historically being about 100 to 150 years ago, there was sing-song girls, and they were entertainers. Got shark fin here. I'm surprised that's still popular. Because it's so controversial. You basically kill a shark and take its fin, and then a lot of times they leave the shark in the water to rot. Huh, really nice. Once upon a time, an antique shop. Okay, so historically, girls would hang out here and they'd entertain men. So they were like poets, musicians. They were very skilled with a lot of different trades to attract men, and then the men would give them money, of course. And they could attract them in lots of different ways. And so this street would have been very well known for that. So Rua de Felicidade, Street of Happiness. And there's a lot of history. I'm gonna I've kind of talked about it every time I'm on this street, so if you look at my old past videos, I'll probably mention different things. But yeah, I hope they have some kind of reference to the sing-song era in the future. The street will end, I think it ends at the next block, but the bulk of it is here. And that restaurant has some history as well. Okay, let me just walk over to this street over here real quick. So right here we have Rua de Felicidade, Beco de Felicidade. We got it in Chinese and Portuguese as well, so you're welcome to stop and pause it if you want. But right here, Rua de Felicidade starts from, so we started at the top there. It joins Alto Novo, which was halfway down, and then we see all these streets are kind of down here, so they form a commercial quarter. Originally a marshland, this neighborhood had foreign firms in operation, so there's a port right down that way. Huh. Former nickname, the place of leftover orange, the old place that no one wants to visit. Qing Dynasty, 1862, 1874. So these two merchants, they bought this on reclaimed land. Okay, reclaimed land. Theaters, okay. Many brothels, Fantan, the gambling houses, restaurants. The upper half was occupied by brothels and entertaining venues, and the lower half, tea houses and hotels. The area evolved into a buzzing red lantern district with nightlife attractions. In the 1940s, the government banned prostitution, and it fell into desolation. Okay, that's up until now, even up until a year ago. Proximity to the inner harbor, restaurants and bakeries moved in today. Traditional Cantonese, okay. So I guess the top half would have been the more the brothels and such. And I guess that references all these houses here, all the green and white. So I think all this would have been Fantan houses are the gambling halls as well. And then this second half, still Felicidade a little bit, but there's hotels like this one right here, Sanva Guest House Hotel. And then there's other hotels down here too. So these ones down here have Hotel Kova, and I think they also said there's coffee houses is the other one. And then down here there would be some more. So I think they also consider this part of, yeah, that's also Felicidade too. You can see the sign up there. And then I think it changes down here, but there's still more hotels. Yeah, hotel. So there's some more down there, and I think this one has a different name. It's not Felicidade anymore, but that is all Felicidade. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're going to they come to an ending right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.